Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode I will be installing a SiriusXM Connect tuner and a Vais GM03 interface. I will be doing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition double cab with a V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. My Infotainment 3 system is not XM ready. The only way that I was able to receive an XM signal was through an XM app from my phone. And of course, that XM app is only going to work if I get a strong enough signal to my phone. So the only other way to get a true XM signal to this car's stereo system is with the XM tuner. And since this system is not XM ready, I had to buy the GM03 interface adapter kit. And now I am going to get a true XM signal, because with this tuner, there is an antenna that mounts to the top of the roof that will receive the signal from the satellites that orbit our planet. And that is the best way to get an XM signal. I bought both units from Crutchfield.com. The SiriusXM SXV300 kit was $70, and I do have a $70 rebate on that I need to mail in. And the Vais GSR GM03 interface kit was $280. So now I'm going to show you what's in the package. With the SiriusXM tuner kit, you get instruction manual plus 3 months free service. Here is the SiriusXM tuner, and you have a 25-inch antenna lead that will plug into the back of the GM03 interface. And you have a 23-foot XM antenna, which is more than long enough for any vehicle that you're going to be putting this in. What you get in the interface kit is instruction manual and a piece of paper that tells you where not to put the antenna. The antenna does not go on the front of the roof by the window. It has to be on the back. You get a 38-inch USB cord and a 62-inch power cord, and the GM03 interface by Vais. Very small. I already found a spot on my vehicle to hide both of these, and the installation is going to be a piece of cake. Every install will be slightly different. It all depends upon where you want to hide these units at and how you want to run this antenna from inside the vehicle to the outside. But every install will need a crimping tool, a spade connector for the ground, and you may need some plastic pry tools in order to remove some of the trim. I didn't need to use these. I was able to just pull off the door seals on both sides. To get the 12-volt power supply, I have a fuse tap. This is a Micro 2 Mini. I found a fuse on the passenger side fuse block that I can tap into that has a constant 12-volt power supply. And since I'm running this antenna outside underneath the vehicle, I'm going to use this 1/4 inch wire loom, and I'm going to strap it to the back side of the step bars, and then up along the back, in between the glass window and the body, and on top of the roof. So now onto the install. I had already removed this panel to get to the fuse block. How I did that was using this little pry tool. Just got it in there, pulled it off, comes right out. I had already installed the fuse tap, and I'll try to zoom in. So here's the Micro 2 Mini fuse tap. I was able to find a 12-volt power supply that is constant. So now there are 2 fuses in this fuse tap. One is for the vehicle's accessory, and this outer one is for this pigtail. Another tool you're going to need is a wire stripper, because you got to strip all these wires. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Pink and yellow, constant power supply. Blue and green, ground. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and crimp the pink and yellow wire to the pigtail. Make sure it's in all the way. tug on it, nice and tight. So I crimped the pink and yellow wire to the pigtail on the 12-volt power supply, and I actually added a black grounding wire. So I spliced it together with the blue and the green, and those are right here. I'm gonna go ahead and tape these together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to the grounding bolt that is right down at the bottom. Now to hook up the grounding wire, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this nut. Go ahead and put in the spade, tighten it down. There we go. To make sure that this USB cable is going to reach to where I want to install this interface module, I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the USB port. I'm just going to tuck the wire in right there, plug it into the back of the module. And yes, it does reach to where I intended to put it. There's the XM antenna. I have it double stick taped to the top of the spoiler. I was able to push the cable about 1.5 inches behind the glass, and then it goes down in between the bed of the truck and the back of the truck. Then I have it zip tied to the brackets behind the step bar, and then it comes up through an opening right here, comes up and over and underneath the weather stripping, then down and behind the support bracket for the dash to the other side where it connects to the SiriusXM Connect tuner. Here is the antenna lead. I had fed it through behind the dash by using this stiff wire, and I had taped the end of the antenna cable to this wire, pulled it through. So I'm going to go ahead and get the XM Connect, and I'm going to go ahead and connect all these components, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them up underneath the dash using zip ties. I'm going to go ahead and hook up all these cables. It's really simple. The 3-foot USB cord is this one with the brown end. Snaps right in there. Power cord goes here. And this is the antenna feed from the XM Connect. Snaps in here. And then for the XM Connect, this here is the antenna feed from the roof. Snaps into this little guy right here. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and tuck those up underneath the dash, and then I'll show you what it looks like. There's the SiriusXM Connect vehicle tuner. I hid the wires behind that carpet, and the interface control module is behind that panel. I know the USB cable that goes to the USB port underneath the climate control system isn't really all that great looking right now, but I got to figure out what to do with that. And there's the USB cord. I double checked all my connections, so here we go. Hit more. There it is, SiriusXM. And we'll turn the volume up. Now all I have to do is go on my XM account and activate my new radio, and it'll be good to go. There we go, all put back together. And looking good. Here I'm going to show you that you can control the SiriusXM just like the AM, FM, and if you had your cell phone hooked up to the USB and you were playing music through that. So select audio. It's already set up for SiriusXM. You can do the channel seek by using the buttons on the back of the steering wheel. You can also use the buttons below the touchscreen. And you can also use the buttons on the touchscreen itself. You still have FM. So you have AM, FM, SiriusXM, and then of course my cell phone, if it was plugged in the Bluetooth. We'll go back, SiriusXM. And my phone is hooked up to the Bluetooth, so If I get a call, it will decrease the volume automatically. And there's SiriusXM again. You can adjust the sound level by with the equalizer. Do fade in and fade out, left, right, front and rear. And that's about it. This SiriusXM Vehicle Connect Tuner and the Vais interface control module works awesome. I highly recommend it. I did miss my XM radio from my 2006 Chevy Silverado that I bought in 2012. That XM system was brought over from my Pontiac Firebird that I had on the Firebird for at least the last 12 years that I owned it, maybe a little bit more. It's kind of hard to say. But now I have XM in my current 2019 Chevy Silverado that is not XM ready. And now I have XM. So it works great. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the SiriusXM tuner alongside the GM03 interface. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. And like all my other videos, I'm gonna have some bloopers at the end, so stay for those. And I'm really happy that I bought this XM unit. They finally just came out with it. I was really bummed when I found out that my Infotainment 3 system wasn't XM ready. It was a little misleading at the dealership when I asked the guy if it has XM capability. He said yes. He didn't tell me that it was a XM app, and that just kind of sucks. But anyway, they finally came out with something for it, and it works awesome. So that's it. Enjoy your day, and I'm gonna go take it for a little test drive and check out the XM radio. See you guys later. Test 2, test 3, test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing an XM tuner and a Vais, XM tuner. XM tuner. I will be installing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition Double Cab with the V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Got that in one take. Well, 2 takes. Damn it. It's good. I'll keep that one. Test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. My Infotainment 3 system is not XM ready. My Infotainment. And I love XM, so I did not want to get an upgraded stereo system from the dealership, because I'm sure that's probably about $1,500 to $2,000, and that is a different package, and you can't just order a part from a package. You have to buy the whole new package. And I'm gonna do this one more time. I don't like any of that stuff, so damn it. I bought both units from Crutchfield.com. The SiriusXM SV300 Vehicle Connect Kit. Did I get that right? Vehicle Connect. No, it's a Connect Vehicle Tuner. Why do I get stuff backwards? Test 1, test 2, test 3. I bought both units from Crutchfield.com. The SiriusXM SXV300 Connect Vehicle Kit. Yep, got that right, but I gotta do it again because I just looked. Test 1, test 2, test 3. GSR GM03. Test 1, test 2, test 3. 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, test 1, test 2, test 3. In the SiriusXM kit, you get instruction manual, plus you also get 3 months free service. You have a 23-foot, that's not the 23-footer. So now, on to the install. And I got that word right finally, damn it. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the XM Vehicle Tuner Kit. Now, Connect Vehicle Tuner Kit. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it.